Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you guys some upgrades I've done to my truck since the last video. So here we go. Dirty dude. So I finally installed the lights I put in one of my previous videos. I got rid of that light bar and got these 7-inch. I'll probably do another review on another video to see how they work. They've been alright. I have them installed for a couple of months and they're alright. The next thing I also changed out was the shackle. I finally got to do the shackle too. It went to a 2.5-inch lift to a 5-inch lift. So a couple of days I measured it before I installed the 5-inch shackles, and it was too cold to actually show you the installation of them. This is the measurements before I did the shackles. Before I installed these 5-inch lift shackles I bought from Crown Suspension, I'm gonna be measuring the front bumper to the floor, the front fender to the floor, the rear fender to the floor, and then also the rear bumper to the floor. To see the difference these shackles are gonna do. The front bumper measures 17 inches and a half. The fender to the tire measures 5 inches and a half, and the floor to the fender measures 35 inches. The fender to the tire measures 5 inches. The fender to the floor measures 34 inches and a half. And finally, the rear bumper to the floor measures 20 inches. So now I'm gonna be measuring the after. So the floor to the bumper is 17.5 inches. The tire to the fender 6 inches. The fender to the floor is 35.5 inches. And the back is 6 inches to the tire to the fender. To the floor to the fender is 35.5 inches. And finally, to the bumper to the floor is gonna be 21 inches. This picture is before the shackles and after. As you can see, no more Cali lean. Perfect. These are the 5-inch shackles I bought from Crown Suspension. They came in black, but I went ahead and spray painted them red with a high temperature spray paint, and then I had to bake it in the oven. Maybe if you guys want to see it, let me know and I'll do a video of it. That's the 5-inch shackle from Crown Suspension. But what I don't like is the leaf springs a little straight. I don't know if that's normal. I mean, you could see that it's straight. I also wanted to mention, when I got the Rough Country 2.5-inch, I had to cut like 1 inch from the fender and the inner fender as well, and the front as well. Well, there you go, guys. The next thing I'm probably gonna do is change out the roof rack with the lights, and also want to put some new rock lights, and that's the upgrades I've been doing so far. keep watching, and like always, thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.